Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to change language in a PayPal account. If your PayPal interface is currently showing in a language you don't want, or you simply prefer to use the platform in a different language for easier navigation, the good news is that this is a very quick setting to update. This can be especially helpful if you are using PayPal for business, sending payments, checking transactions, or helping a friend or family member set up their account. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to do so the change applies correctly. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the gear icon, which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that icon to access the area where you can manage your account preferences. Before moving forward, make sure you are signed into the correct PayPal account, especially if you manage more than one account or switch between personal and business profiles. After the settings page opens, look for the section labeled Account Options. In this area, you should see a drop-down menu for language. This is the setting that controls which language is used for your PayPal account interface. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section, because PayPal includes several settings on this page, and the language option is the one you'll need for this change. You may also see other account preferences nearby, so focus only on the language drop-down to avoid changing anything else by mistake. Next, click on the language drop-down. A list of available languages should appear. From there, select the new language you want to use. Once you choose it, PayPal will save that preference for your account. Make sure you select carefully so the interface displays in the language that's most comfortable for you going forward. Choosing the right language can make it much easier to understand payment details, account settings, invoices, security messages, and transaction history. After selecting your new language, there's one more important thing to do. Log out of your PayPal account and then log back in again. This helps refresh the account interface and ensures the language update is fully applied. If you don't see the changes right away, signing out and back in usually resolves that. This step is useful because some account changes may not appear instantly while you are still inside the same active session. When you log back in, your PayPal account should now appear in the language you selected. If for some reason the update doesn't show immediately, try refreshing the page or repeating the sign out and sign in process one more time. You can also close the browser tab and open PayPal again if the old language is still showing. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, changing the language in your PayPal account only takes a moment once you know where to look. This is a useful adjustment if you want a more comfortable browsing experience or if you're helping someone set up their account in their preferred language. It can also reduce confusion when reviewing payments, updating account details, or using PayPal tools regularly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your PayPal settings quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple PayPal tutorials, and check out the next guide if you want to learn more about managing your account settings.